Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unregister your Gcash account on mobile. Well, it's very easy to do it. So open the Gcash app, launch it over your mobile application, log in by using your credentials, they will ask your email address or username and password. Access Help Center. So tap on your profile, which will be in the bottom right side corner of your screen, scroll down and select Help, and there will be option of Help Center below that from the menu. Now contact support. In the Help Center, look for an option to contact support. This can typically be found under section like contact us or submit a ticket. Choose a method to contact support such as through email, chat or phone. By the way, it's only available in business working days, right? Then here you have to request account deactivation. When you contact Gcash support, inform them that you want to unregister or deactivate your Gcash account. Provide any necessary information that may need to verify your identity, such as your mobile number, full name, and any other detail associated with your account. Now, follow the instruction provided by Gcash support representative. This may ask for your additional verification or information to process your request, right? Now, wait for the confirmation. When your request has been processed, you should receive a confirmation over your Gmail or over the chat. Now, this is how basically you can unregister your Gcash account on mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe.